In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your inbox layout in Gmail. If you're looking to organize your emails more efficiently or simply want to refresh the way your inbox looks, changing the layout can make a big difference. So, let's dive into the simple steps that will help you customize your Gmail inbox to better suit your needs. To get started, open your Gmail account and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small gear-like icon. This is your Settings button. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled See All Settings. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, you're in the main Settings menu, which offers a variety of customization options for your Gmail account. Once you're here, you'll want to click on the tab labeled Inbox. This tab allows you to access different types of inbox configurations. Gmail offers several preset layouts, each designed to accommodate different types of email management styles. Let's explore these options a little further. You might want to select the default option if you prefer the traditional layout where emails are sorted by date. Another option is the Important First layout, which automatically prioritizes emails that Gmail's algorithms identify as important. This can be a game changer if you receive a lot of emails and need to distinguish between high and low priority messages quickly. Alternatively, the Unread First layout could be your best friend if you want to see all your unread emails before anything else. It places unread emails at the top, ensuring that no unread message slips through the cracks. Then there's the Starred First option, which highlights any email you've marked with a star, bringing it to the forefront whenever you open your inbox. Don't overlook the Priority Inbox, a more advanced option that tries to predict what emails are most important to you based on your email habits. It divides the inbox into sections like Important and Unread, Starred, and Everything Else, which can give your inbox a dynamic organizational structure. Once you've decided on the layout that suits your preferences, select it by clicking its corresponding button. Remember, this change is not permanent. You can always revisit these settings and try out different layouts until you find one that meets your evolving needs. Finally, once you've selected your new layout, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This will ensure that Gmail remembers your preference. Customizing your inbox can make a world of difference in your email experience. Whether you aim for efficiency, importance, or a minimalist approach, experimenting with these layouts can help you find a system that enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized Gmail inbox.